Hello, today I want to share this metabolic support supplement from Arrae. It's called MB-1. This supplement is designed to support metabolism, energy, and appetite control. It comes in capsules and is very easy to add to your daily routine. The formula includes ingredients like African mango, citrus extract, grains of paradise, green tea extract, probiotics, vitamin B6, and chromium ingredients often used for metabolism and digestive support. I've personally been taking this supplement for about 3 months. I actually started right before Thanksgiving, and for me it was very helpful during the holiday season, Thanksgiving and Christmas, when it's easy to overeat. It helped me stay more in control of my appetite and cravings. How you take it is simple: 2 capsules in the morning with water. It's often used as a 3-month system. Month 1, you may notice better daily energy and fewer sugar cravings as your body adjusts. Month 2, continued metabolism and appetite support as part of your routine. Month 3, ongoing support for weight management goals when combined with healthy eating and movement. I like that it's capsule form, no mixing, no strong taste, and easy to stay consistent. This is not a quick fix. It works best when you take it daily and pair it with good habits.